Have data living in your database or data warehouse that you want to analyze with Julius? Well, great news. Julius now supports data connections with many of the most popular databases and warehouses out there, which allows you to connect your data and chat with your database directly. We currently support native connections with Postgres, Snowflake, and BigQuery, with many more being added constantly. To set up a connection, head over to the Data Connectors tab on the Settings page and choose your preferred connection. Fill out the required fields, just as you would with other database management tools. Once the connection has been established, head over to a thread or a notebook. Then connect your data source and chat with your database. Let us know in the comments if you would like us to make videos specifically showing you how to find the needed fields to connect to each data source. Want to give this a try with your team? Sign up for Julius today and let us know how you like it. And if you have any other connector requests, let us know in the comments below.